Hello everyone, this is Elijah with the RideShare Guy, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to contact DoorDash support as a customer. For the most part, ordering on DoorDash is pretty much straightforward and pretty smooth, but for one reason or another you may have to contact support at some point and you may want to know how to do so. So you're basically looking at two scenarios when you would contact support in the app. The first one is when the driver is going to get your food or your food is getting prepared. And the second scenario is after you've already obtained your food. If there's some kind of issue, you could reach out to support. We'll be showing visually both sides on how to contact support inside the DoorDash app. So let's take a detour to my phone so you can visually see how to do this. If a delivery is already in progress, you'll want to click on the Help button at the top right-hand corner. Once here, you can check on your Dasher status, delivery ETA, cancel the order, or click on something else. Keep in mind that if you do cancel the order, it will be subject to fees. If what you're looking for isn't in front of you, you can click on It's Something Else. From here, you can make arrangements to have the address change the scheduled delivery time, or access to frequently asked questions. Keep in mind that the ability to change the address or change the delivery time is subject to the progress of the current delivery. It may be too late to change these metrics, and if you choose to do so, there may be additional fees that will need to be paid. If the issue still hasn't been resolved with the information on the screen, you can click on Contact Support. From here, you'll be directed to DoorDash's live chat and connected with a live agent that can assist you with your issue. Once your order is finished and you've received your food, if you need to contact support after this, you can do so using the contact support inside the app. First is bring up the app and then click on Account. Once you clicked on Account, click on Get Help. From here, just select the order that you have a particular issue with, and you'll be given a variety of options that can help you with the problem. Another way to contact DoorDash is to give a call to the number that you see on the screen. This number could change, but it will always be linked to the DoorDash help page. You can access this help page by clicking on the link in the description. From this page, you can also access live chat just like you could inside the app and visit the help center. Finally, if you want to contact DoorDash by email, you can do so by emailing support@doordash.com. Keep in mind that this is the least efficient way to contact DoorDash support, so it may take longer than the other methods that we've already outlined. You'll also want to be sure to include your email address that you have on file for your DoorDash account, as well as your order details in the first email that you send DoorDash, because the next email you'll receive will just be asking for this information. So it's best just to give it to them in the first email. It cuts down on the necessary amount of emails needed to resolve your issue. That does it, everyone. You now know how to contact DoorDash support as a customer. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We publish new videos every single week covering the news in the gig economy, as well as tactics that you can use to be successful. If you haven't used DoorDash yet and you have an interest in doing so, you want to make sure to use the code below so you can get a discount on your first order. And if you have an interest in being a Dasher to make some extra money, be sure to check out our DoorDash driver tutorial, where we give you a visual demonstration on what you can expect inside the app once you start dashing. This has been Elijah with the RideShare Guy. Be safe, be profitable, and I'll catch you in the next video.